Track 69, Unit 9D.
I've just read a fascinating book called Fixing the Sky, about attempts by various people in history to control the weather.
What do you mean by control the weather? Like stopping the rain?
Yes, or making it rain. It describes the kind of things people have traditionally done to get the weather they want. That's to say, things like praying for sunshine or doing rain dances when there's a drought and their crops are failing. But then it goes on to describe more recent experiments with artificial weather-changing technology, and actually, it becomes quite scary.
What kind of experiments?
I'll give you an example. In the 1950s, the government conducted a secret cloud seeding experiment.
Sorry, what's that?
Cloud seeding, it means putting chemicals into clouds to make it rain. Silver iodide is one that's commonly used. But the point is that when people did these experiments, they didn't see it as interfering with nature. They seemed to have no idea that it might have unwanted consequences. So what happened, though it's not actually proven, but it's very likely, their experiment caused the terrible floods that took place that year in the southwest of England.
Hang on, let me get this straight. Are you saying that the government experimented with making rain and it caused a natural disaster?
Pretty much, yes. Though I doubt they meant to.
That's terrible. But actually, am I right in thinking that it could be quite useful technology now? You know, with climate change and all that.
Yes, and I guess that's the author's point. That we need to be looking at solutions like cloud seeding, but that we should also be aware of the history of such techniques. In other words, we shouldn't just jump into things.